easiest way to add a sum formula to your worksheet is to use AutoSum. Select an empty cell directly above or below the range that you want to sum, and on the Home or Formula tabs of the ribbon, click AutoSum. In this way, AutoSum will automatically sense the range to be summed and build the formula for you. This also works horizontally if you select a cells to the left or the right of the range that you want or you do the sum for. So for this example, I will hit enter and the AutoSum has been calculated. In addition to that, we can do it also on the left. Click in the empty cell and click again AutoSum and click to select the cell, drop drag or just double click and it should apply the sum for the remaining cells for you. If you wish only to calculate the sum for a certain number of cells, select those cells and click AutoSum. And as you can see, the AutoSum has selected only the cells which I want, and it has added it to the last empty cell in the table.